Hello guys, this is another tutorial video on repairing a dead mobile PCB. This is a Huawei Honor X8 that was given to me by a phone vendor. He actually bought the phone brand new and the phone was not turning on at the time he wanted to sell the phone, so he gave it to me, and the phone has been at the shop for about a year or more. So I just kept the phone aside because honestly, I didn't actually know how to troubleshoot dead phones, but due to constant research and the pursuit of knowledge, I believe now I can do more than I could do before. So I had to take the phone to try and give it my best shot. So I had to check the VPH line of the mobile phone was shorting. So see, I had to inject voltage and try to feel with my hands where I was getting the heat on the PCB. So when I checked, I realized all the capacitors around the power manager IC were shorting, especially those on the power rail. So you see me testing. I had to spray my short powder to inject voltage to see which component is getting bad. And in order to locate this section, you need schematic diagram. For this video I used the Orion schematic because it gave me the option of the bit mapping. Bit mapping makes the job very easy, so that was the only reason I could easily just trace where I had to focus my attention. So that was a bad capacitor I removed. And you should also take note when working on a dead mobile PCB, anytime you find a short and remove, you have to recheck the voltages, especially on the VPH line or the lines that were shorting, to be sure that that was the real problem, because there are cases where there can be several shorts on the same line, not just a single short, or you can remove a short from a capacitor and another IC was shorting. So you have to be sure. You don't just go ahead and remove a short and you go about thinking you're done with the job. Each time you remove a short, you have to recheck for voltages. You see, that's the bad capacitor I removed there. You see, it's linked to the power manager IC. So the phone, that was it, charging. You check the ampere meter. You see, it's charging 5 volt 2.4 amps, which is a very good charging amp for this mobile PCB. So you see, it's easy. All you need is just to focus and you can get the right results. So that was the phone that has been kept at the shop for more than a year, and I just took a few minutes to diagnose, troubleshoot, and the phone was done. So I already contacted the client that had the phone to come and collect. So you can stay tuned for more videos. Follow my YouTube channel and other social media handles such as TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on. I'll be uploading more videos, more compact videos. For now, the video quality is really not that good because I don't yet have a camera setup and I have to record everything by myself. So you understand, I cannot take every aspect of the video. The diode reading on the multimeters, I can't take them. So thanks for watching.